All right, YouTube, what's up? As y'all can see here, we got as y'all can see the tag, we got the Jordan 4 Retro Pine Greens. I'm gonna be doing a review on these today. I did indeed get these from Upshoe. Make sure y'all go check them out. All the stuff will be, make sure you use code sushi. All right, not don't you can use code regular, but to support me, make sure you use code sushi. All right. As you can see, you got the shoe here. I did wear them a couple times, so if there's going to be a bunch of stuff on the bottom, I tried to clean them, so they should look good. As y'all can see, the bottom looks perfect. These shoes are completely 100% one-to-one. You cannot tell the difference at all between these and the real ones. As I can see, the back, the shoe, everything. Colors are on point. Material is on point. The look is on point. Everything about this shoe looks 100% real. All right. I've worn these shoes. I've had people into shoes and people who like shoes compliment me on them and say that, and like I'm straight up about it. I be saying, as you can see the toe box pop up, see the insides. I'm gonna show you all of that. But like I would not lie to y'all. These shoes are one-to-one. They look 100% real. You cannot tell the difference. So make sure y'all go check them out. I'm gonna leave all the stuff in the description. If y'all want to go check out these shoes and buy them yourself, make sure you use code sushi for $15 off at purchase. But make sure y'all go check them out. I'll be doing hella shoe reviews for these people. I love their shoes. Make sure y'all see their info. Make sure y'all go follow them, buy some shoes from them. All of the shoes, you could go check out my previous videos. All of the shoes that I buy from them, I absolutely love, and I wouldn't post these videos, and I wouldn't say that I don't love them if I don't actually love them. I wouldn't buy the shoes. I wouldn't get the shoes if I didn't actually wear the shoes and like the shoes. So y'all have my word. If you like these shoes, make sure y'all go check them out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this review. All right, go check them out. Follow them on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. All right.